Good morning. We are here at the Red Eye Garage Jeep testing grounds. We are going to conduct a very important test. We're going to do the crawl test. So my assistant Saul is going to be driving the TDI Jeep and I'll be driving the Rotary Jeep. We're going to put him in first gear, low range, let the clutch out, no brakes, no throttle. We have a course mapped out here, 60 feet long. We have Old Glory down there marking the finish line, so the grills are evened up. Shot pretty darn close. Let's meet our contestants. So we have some differences in equipment, but I'm interested to see how it works. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it. Gentlemen, start your engines. Fire up the Rotary. There you have it, the initial crawl test. What's your impression as driver number one?
I don't know. I lost the race.
You lost or did you win?
Well, depends if you want faster or slower.
It's kind of like golf, right? The lower score is better. Le loser. Just kidding. You did well. You did well. So those are the results. This one is geared lower, but the idle is what's making this go faster. So if I can get the idle tuned down a little bit, it's going to be significantly slower. But if we were to hold both engines at say 3,000 RPM, I think that's where this one's going to shine with the lower ratio and the ability to rev higher and get wheel speed if you need it. But this one has the torque and that slow, steady idle. So both different machines, but it's kind of cool to pit them against each other. So if you like diesel versus rotary, let me know in the comments and I'll do more comparison videos between these two machines. So thanks for watching and catch you later.